Are you gonna bark at me? Huh? They were barking. I'm laying in here. I just brought their bed in. They're definitely getting playful. This is Olive and Quincy. I can't decide Quincy's gonna bite her. And pretty Millie's over there. Millie, why aren't you laying with me? And here they are. They're getting playful. Quincy's in the green, Olive's in the pink. They're super, super cute. They're so funny. They even growl at each other. If I can get that, I will. But they're really cute. I think Felicia's going to come in and get some playtime. I think he has her pinned. Oh, here comes Felicia. She's going to help. Oh no, she's not. She's pinned her down too. They sound so funny. And Quincy's trying to get my hand. And who's this kissing me? Hi, Chip. Chip's giving me kisses. Quincy's getting my hand. And the girls are going at it. Listen to them. And there's our little Pebbles. You gonna come up here, Pebbles? Oh my gosh, what are your sisters doing, Pebbles? What are they doing? Yeah, you just stay right here. Yes, Olive's trying to get up. Here's my kisses. I can't even get them. Oh, Chip, where are you going? All right. Say bye to the puppies. Bye, Pebbles. I can't see Pebbles. Yes, she is. Yes, I've got Quincy right in my face kissing me. Bye.